Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two popular and latest smartwatch in the market. We have the Infinix XWatch 3 and the other one is the iTel Storm Plus Smartwatch, also known as the iTel O15 Smartwatch. On this video, we are going to compare these two wearables. As you can see, they almost have the same look, the same design. We are going to compare the features, the specs of our XWatch 3 versus the O15 Storm Plus Smartwatch from iTel. Again, the first one is Infinix brand, and the other one is the iTel brand. So if you are planning to get the Infinix or maybe the iTel, watch this video first so that you can see if which is better in terms of design, specs, and features. Again, subscribe, like, and share to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and compare the Infinix versus the one of the latest smartwatch from iTel, the O15. So we do have here the packaging. Both do have a premium looking quality packaging. We have the Infinix here and the iTel. We have here some specs. Let's see if we can compare it. For the Infinix here, XW3 and ISO15 for the Storm Plus. Okay, 2.01 inch. Okay, the same size for the screen display with a 240 by 296 pixel resolution. The same. Okay, the same size as well as the pixel resolution here. For the battery, as you can see here, the same battery capacity. But charging time for the XW3 Infinix is much longer, having 2.5 hours. 2 hours only for our Storm Plus. IP68 waterproof rating. So we do have the same waterproof protection. Okay, what are the details here? We do have a voice assistance, yes. Clear Bluetooth call. 7 days of battery life. Multi-mode or multi-sports mode. Okay, so different application for both wearable, but they have the same waterproof protection, having an IP68 waterproof protection. 2.01 inch IPS LCD with the same pixel resolution. So for the Infinix, we have here the Infinix XWatch 3 and the other one is the iTel O15. Okay, so let's check on the design of both wearable. So we have here some measuring tool. Let's check first the weight, including the strap. Metal strap here for our iTel. 00, we have 43.21. While for our Infinix, yes, metal buckle here, 40. Again, 40.21. The other one is 43. So 3 grams when it comes to weight difference. 3 grams difference. For our dimension, so we have here the thickness. Let's check. We have here the caliper. 00 for the thickness. Okay, the heart rate is not included. We have 10.8 for our iTel. Let's see. Okay, so the same. Yes, the same thickness here. For the width, we have 39.7 for our iTel. For our Infinix, let's see. It's much slimmer. 38.4. So 1 grams. When 1 millimeter when it comes to difference, not 1 grams. I stand corrected. And for the length, 47.3 or 47.2 for our iTel. Let's see. So the iTel do have a much bigger body frame, 50, as you can see here. Okay, so the iTel do have a much wider body frame, but when it comes to thickness, it is just the same. Okay, so we are done with the dimension. Let's have a closer look at the design. Both do have a crown button on the upper right side. At the back, we do have here, okay, the PC cover with a branding. It looks professional. Both do have a well-made back cover here with a quick release pin for the strap. On the other side, we do have the speaker. I prefer the look here of the Infinix. It has a flat body frame, curved corner, while for our iTel, it has a rounded, curved corner, rounded body frame, rounded edge. Okay, so we are done with the design here. Let's go for the offered features and menus. By the way, I like the strap here of the iTel. Okay, both do have a 2.5D tempered glass. Okay, so let's start with the offered features, the UI. Alright, so let's start with the UI. On top, we have the settings here. Okay, so they have the same design here. I guess they are using the same operating system. Let's adjust the screen display here, the brightness. They both have the same brightness here. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the left side, we have the split screen. Almost the same layout here. Right side, we have the cards. The same UI as you can see here. Almost have the same UI. Okay, so different animation and graphics for the heart rate. Sleep monitoring is different. The weather. Music control, so the same here. The same design. How about the blood oxygen? Let's see. The blood oxygen. Okay, so this different style for the blood oxygen. Okay, for the menus and features, just press the power button. Let's go to the first icon here, or first feature. So we have the dial, frequent contacts, just different names here, but the same feature. Dial, we have telephone, but the same icon here. Call history, call records. We do have the voice assistant. So after the voice assistant, we have the data, the same icon, the same logo. We have workout. Let's see. Outdoor walking. So I like the animation here of our iTel. But I guess they offer the same features here. We have swimming. No, we don't have a swimming here, but we have a swimming. Okay, so it has a different sports offering. We have workout, exercise logs, workout record. We have the heart rate. So different animation here, or UI. Sleep monitoring, blood oxygen, messages. So we don't have a blood pressure for our iTel, but we do have it here on the Infinix. Weather report, music control, breath training, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, calendar. We don't have an electronic cards here, but we have it here on our Infinix. We have camera control. We have a calendar. Yes, we have a calendar. Find phone, camera, We have an SOS here. We don't have it here. Settings. So menu style. So we have at least 4. I think it's just the same. Display. Option for the display. Do have the watch face, brightness, screen time, raise to wake. We have a battery, vibration, QR code, language support, set time, password, and system. Okay, so we have here set time, just different terminologies, but I think it's just the same. Okay, again, here are the following features. So more features is available on the Infinix compared to our iTel Storm Plus. But I think they just have the same operating system. They almost have the same logo here for each functionalities. Just the developer just at least tweak the UI to make it different from the other one. But overall, I think they are just using the same operating system, maybe the same hardware. So there are some features here that is available on our Infinix that is not available here on our iTel. Okay, for the watch face, let's see. Can we use this one? Okay. So this one, you can use the crown button here to change the watch face for our iTel. But here on our Infinix, you cannot use it to change. But you can use this one to scroll on the menus. The same with our iTel here. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the Infinix XWatch 3 versus the iTel ISW-O15 Smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the comparison review, drop a comment below. Again, this is Smartwatch Specifications YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, and like our videos. Bye!